So guys, let's get started with our video. So the first item that I bought from Dollar Tree is this. As you can see, I got a lot of things for my kids. My daughter is 2.5 years old and my son is 4 years old. He goes to pre-KG. And I thought that I should get some flashcards for my daughter. This is the brand Little People from Fisher Price. See? The quality is extremely good, and you have a pack of these are counting cards. This is 1 to 20 counting, and these are like similar and different like opposites. These are all learning cards, and many other type of such flashcards are available. This is just for $1.25, as I said. Great finds for your kids. So this is something which I got. Now I also got a pack of 8 crayons each for both my kids. Here, this is the brand Crayola. Again, a good brand, a good quality product, available just for $1.25. So this is also another very good find. So go ahead for your kids needs, like your if your kid is going to pre-KG or you're planning to homeschool your kid, this is an amazing place. You can find so many books, so many activity books, reading books, and God knows what, puzzles and everything else that your kid needs, and you will not be spending a lot from your pocket. Trust me, go ahead and shop here for your kids books and everything else. Here, I also got some pencils for my kids. This is Dr. Seuss brand pencil. Here, I bought a little fancy pencils this time because they like something like this. So no harm in spending $1.25 again for this. You can see here, this is the brand Dr. Seuss. I bought some books also for my kids, some activity books. I bought this math book, basic concept math book. This is a pre-KG book. This is for Kian. He would be starting out with some maths problems and everything. I got you can see that they have given the age also for this is for 4+ kids. Again, this is from the brand Nickelodeon. See, it's not necessary that if the good is cheap, it is of bad quality. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. Actually, यहाँ पे तो I haven't experienced anything like that. Again, I got this one. I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books for Kian. I'll show you. Here, these are all pre-KG learning books. Read and write, then this is letters and sounds, practicing ABCs, writing, and then I got something for maths, again some words, etc. So these are the 5 books that I got for Kian, and it did not hurt my pocket again. So guys, just go ahead and shop in Dollar Tree. This is the only store where I can shop freely without looking at the price tag of the item, because I know that even if I try, I won't be spending a lot of money here. So again I got some this coloring book I got for Tiana. She loves unicorns and all, so something like this. This is a dog unicorn something. So I got this Crayola color book for Tiana. And again, another counting book for Kian. So you can see that they have given the age for the kids. Kian is 4 right now, so I am usually looking for something which is 3+ or 4+, something between the range of 4 to 5 years. So they have everything for all the age groups. It's like amazing, guys. Just go through the link in the description box for the virtual tour of Dollar Tree. There are many other branches of Dollar Tree also in Toronto GTA as well as in Toronto. If I get an opportunity, I'll surely go and make a video on those and show you what all is available in those Dollar Trees, because I guess every month they get new stuffs and they keep changing. Not the things which are available in one Dollar Tree might not be there in the other Dollar Tree. They might have something different. So let's go on with our shopping haul. I bought this Doodle Kids Doodle. This is just a plain book like this, wherein I can draw something and give it to Tiana and keep her engaged. She loves drawing, so and she still doesn't know how to draw patterns or anything. So I can probably give her something to draw or make some dots and ask her to join and make some alphabets and etc. And she can practice in here. So I got this for her. And this is all the stationery that I got for my kids from Dollar Tree. I got myself a pack of ball pens from here. Now let's move on to the other items that I got. I got my cleaning supplies from Dollar Tree as well. This time I got this. This is these are copper scrubs, a pack of 2. I got 2, so total 4. I also got toilet cleaners for $1.25. So my suggestion is that if you have to buy cleaning supplies, please do not go to Walmart or Costco or any other big retail giant. You can just go to Dollar Tree and shop at your heart's content for your cleaning supplies. At least I usually do that and save a lot of money on my goods. This is also cleaning supplies for the toilet. One more thing which I forgot to show you is that my kids love building things, and I got these cute building blocks, these Lego building blocks from Dollar Tree. Their quality is really good, but I must tell you that the other dolls and the other toys that I saw there, their quality is just about okay. So my suggestion is that for kids toys, other than small ticket items like these or even Hot Wheel cars which are small, you should not buy big expensive big items, big toys, just like dolls and all. I prefer Walmart for buying dolls, specifically dolls. I do not like the quality there in Dollar Tree, but for the Lego it is the exact same thing here. So this I got for just $125 each. There are 30 pieces of Lego building blocks here, and it's amazing. I know that my kids are going to love this. Also, I bought these cute pair of socks. These are so cute. These are for Kian and Tiana. How much? This is like the PJ Mask. Everything is branded here. You can see, as you can see, this is the PJ Mask socks. He loves PJ Masks, and he loves all the cartoons that the kids love this during this period, 4 to 5 years. Thomas the Train, and you have the sizes written in here. See, it's written in here 4 to 6 years, if you can see. So you have such amazing cute little socks. Here is the Captain America. Wow, I didn't notice this. This is the Avenger socks, Marvel. Captain America is here. Captain America is one of my son's favorite superheroes, so I thought might as well buy these socks. For Tiana also, I got pretty sweet deal, I must say. See, typical, yes, pink color for girls. And this is what? Oh, Disney Mulan. So all of these are branded and of amazing quality. I did not see such cute little socks in Walmart, though they have their specific typical same type of socks. I do not see anything great. I just wanted to buy something a little something different for my kids this time. So I bought a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 pair of socks for my kids, both the kids, and I am not regretting it. It's so good. Alright then, so I bought this pair of snap clips. This is like 10 snap clips, and I got this. You can see them, they are so cute, glittery. This is for Tiana because we are growing her hair longer and she needs clips to put to keep her hair in the proper place. So I got these, and this is just for 125, guys. I know that I'm repeating this 125 thing a lot, but you know what? The best place for me to shop here in Canada, and I think for every person here in Canada and in the United States, is Dollar Tree. इतना सस्ता और इतना अच्छा, just it's mind blowing. Yes, I miss the street shopping in India, but Dollar Tree compensates for all that. Again, I got something for myself. This is a 6-blade razor. Good brand. This is made in Sweden. It's written in here. It's made in Sweden. So I got this. Also something very nice. I needed eyeshadow applicators because I did not have one, and I was running out of methods of putting eyeshadow on my eyelids, and doing it with a finger was like a very what to say, I was not really enjoying it. I really needed something like this. These are eyeshadow applicators, as you can see. This is not of a very famous brand, but then I checked it, and the quality seems to be pretty nice. There are 20 pieces in there. As you can see here, there are 20 pieces in here, and it's very reasonable. I would have spent a lot of money in Walmart for buying anything like this. Actually, I saw ELF brand products for $125, which is unheard of. So I guess if you want to buy your makeup things at a cheaper price, please visit Dollar Tree or Dollarama. You can get a good brand called ELF. ELF is available in Dollar Tree as well as Dollarama, but in Walmart, the ELF products that I have seen are a little bit expensive. So here. I also got something which I had wanted to buy for a long time, but did not want to spend a lot of money. You must have seen in my Walmart vlog, you know, that I was really interested in buying for eyelashes. So I got these amazing stuff. Along with the eyelashes, I got this, the glue, the adhesive, through which I can stick the eyelashes. I'll make a short video on as to how I use these, because I have never used this before and I just wanted to try it and did not want to spend a huge amount. Everything was $20 and above there in Walmart, and I just paid a total of how much? Less than $4 for both of these. So guys, the next item that I got are these wafers. This was also available for just $1.25, but I would suggest that if you find a deal for the wafers in Walmart, please buy food items from Walmart, because you might get better deals. Actually, these are for $1.50, a little on the higher side, Dollar Tree ke standard se. So I suggest that you buy the food items from Walmart. Though there is no difference in quality, the quality is exactly the same, but I think I paid a little bit more here because I would have gotten you know, like a pack of 3 or something for $2. They usually have deals on in Walmart. I had to buy because it was Easter at that point of time and Walmart was closed. The only shop that was open was Dollar Tree. So I got this there just for the kids, you know. So again, another thing that I got is that I got these are bubbles, bubble fun, you know, bubble maker. So this is a pack of 3. So I got one for Kian and one for Tiana. Again, I got these amazing plastic cups for Kian and Tiana. This, as you can see, is the Avenger heroes. He is a very big fan of Avengers, Kian, so I got this for him, and this is just a Lego block design. And there are other 3 glasses which they have already started using. So I got a total of 5 such glasses for the kids. Something little bit fancy for them. Again, I got this sponge holder. This has a suction hook here, and it's made of steel. It's really sturdy, and I got this from of course from Dollar Tree, again at a very reasonable price. I suggest that for cleaning supplies, the only place you need to be is a dollar store, either Dollarama or Dollar Tree. Do not spend your money in Walmart. Too expensive everything is, and the quality is the same. So probably I'll make a video as to what you should buy and what you should avoid in Dollar Tree, and same with all the other stores. The next item, I was looking for plastic bowls, and I got this amazing looking bowl from Dollar Tree. I took 5 of these, and their quality is really nice, and it looks also really good. The size is like this, as you can see. So I needed this and I got this. You might find some other designs also. If you just have to keep an eye out. I got this beautiful kitchen towels as well. These are amazing. It's written love is a legged word. That is a dog, Olive. So I got this. And then this beautiful flower print kitchen towel, and also I got something like this, and this. So I got 4 of these amazing looking kitchen towels. Their kitchen items are also amazing, very good. So the next time I go, I'll go to a different Dollar Tree this time, and I will see what I can get there. I really wanted to buy a lot of other stuffs also, but then we were running out of time. So this is all for the kitchen that I got. I was looking out for coasters and also some other things like oblong table mats, but I did not get. So I'll see if I can get those from other Dollar Tree. I also got this cute dustpan. Not that it being cute will make any difference, but then this is very handy, and I got this also from Dollar Tree. So that was it, guys. That is all that I shopped from this amazing store. So all the new immigrants who are planning to come here, or people who are here and planning to save money, do visit Dollar Tree. And this is the only place where you would not have to check the price tag of the items. Guys, I hope you are enjoying my vlogs and my videos. I am based out of Toronto for the past 8 years now, and I make videos on my experience here in Canada. So please do subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon below and put the all notifications in the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification and you watch the videos. Thanks so much for watching. See ya. We'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.